What is up, JL Life? Modell here. Are you guys annoyed with the auto stop start feature on the Jeep JL and the Jeep Gladiator? Well, stay tuned. This one's for you. Due to certain policies above my pay grade, vehicle manufacturers were forced to try to find ways to get their miles per gallon under a certain threshold. Well, that's where the auto stop start feature started to come from out of vehicles. I hate it. The vehicle manufacturers were so graceful to us peasants, and they gave us a button to easily turn it off. Well, the problem with that is that you had to do it every time you started your vehicle, and it didn't remember the position of the switch. Now, there was a way to deal with that by buying an expensive programmer to be able to recall what position you put the switch in. We have a cheaper solution. So install for this little piece is super fast and it'll take less than 5 minutes. Get yourself a pry tool. You're going to peel off your center hub. Then you have the plug in the back going to your hub. You're going to unplug that. You're going to take the new harness, which is an in and out, and of course the box that does all the recalling. You're going to take the female adapter, you're going to plug it in. You're going to take the male adapter and you're going to plug it into the back of the console. You're going to route this so it's not in the way and push it back into place. Guys, that's literally it. So now as you hit the auto stop start button, it's going to recall the position of where it's at, so you're not having to hit it every time. If you guys are interested in this product, I will leave a link to the product below to Amazon. But guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Till the next one, y'all. Keep it easy.